Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo! Thank you, thank you. Woo! Impressive, most impressive. Let's go! GG. GG. Togebo, clear. Spiky, clear. Sleepy, clear. We still have Ninja. And then hungry character that needs to balance. What is balance? Balance? It's HP, heals 5 HP at the end of each battle. Clear hard mode in 25 minutes. Oh, so it's like speed running? Bro. Clear normal mode without using items and heal in shop? What is going on with you? Do you have a problem? Change to hard mode. Why? Kaela, the never punished Kovalskia. GG. I know, right? Ha! Thank you. I was wondering why you make monkey sound when you're happy and why are you start saying happy birthday. Don't ask me. It's just how my brain works. You don't ask how my brain works, okay?